is a beautiful gift from God. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no one separate. Mark 10:9.
Janie, I promise to love you as Christ loves the church.
And I vow to honor you through every season that God gives us.
Two are better than one, because they have a good reward for their labor. Ecclesiastes 4:9. Rejoice in the wife of your youth. Proverbs 5:18. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. John 16:33.
You think working more hours will fix everything? We are falling apart, Patrick. I don't know if we can do this anymore, Patrick.
Maybe we're better apart.
A cord of 3 strands is not easily broken. Ecclesiastes 4:12.
God, we can't do this without you.
Lord, heal our hearts. Restore our love.
Be kind to one another, tender-hearted, forgiving one another, as God in Christ forgave you. Ephesians 4:32.
God, teach us to love again.
Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never fails. 1 Corinthians 13:7-8. Marriage is a covenant, not a contract. It is God who binds hearts together through every storm, every valley, every triumph. What God joins, no man can separate.